should I be doing anything special during Financial Literacy Month, which I think is like springish? But
personally, I think no. I think that's something that only the industry cares about. If you work in personal finance and you go on LinkedIn, you might think it's like a national holiday or something with the amount that people are posting about it. But I don't think it's something that any individual person cares about or knows about. If we think of people's financial clocks, the time of year that is an actual person's like financial literacy month is usually January. They get through the holidays and then wake up and realize, oh my God, look at my credit card bill. I really want things to be different this year. What can I do to set up something new and better for myself in the next year? So I would say if any time of year you want to put a huge push into marketing efforts, make it January.